Today is day 2 of the breaking and rebuilding series, and it is going to be a very busy day. The foundation layout will be mapped out. The trenches will be dug, and the footing and the foundation walls will be set today. At least that's our target. As you can already see in the video, the necessary materials are being delivered to the construction site. Sand, stones, blocks, rebars, and gravel. The foundation of a house is where ambition meets the earth and says, "Let's build something that lasts." It begins with planning and soil testing. Before ground is broken, engineers will have to employ the services of a certified geologist to study the soil. The results of the study will then decide the kind of foundation the structure will trust with its weight. The builders set out to map out the foundation layout. This must be precisely done, and for this reason, be sure to avoid quack builders, because quack builders are definitely sure to give what you didn't ask for. This guy in the video is using the piece of block to set out a point in the layout so as to get an accurate point in the layout. This other guy is roasting a goat ordered for them to celebrate the ground breaking of the foundation. Builders do that as tradition. This here marks the first contact between shovel and ground. These are starting with digging up the trenches. Hopefully everything will be done in a few hours. And it's being manually done. After excavation, footings are formed and poured. Footings are concrete bases that spread the building's weight evenly into the soil. Steel reinforcement bars are placed inside the forms to strengthen the concrete. When the concrete is poured, it settles in like a promise hardening into reality. The guys mixing the concrete are already busy with it, so that immediately a complete trench is dug. It is immediately blinded with the concrete footings. And the time the last of the footing is poured, the first one will already be dry enough to have blocks set on it. And before you know it, the foundation walls will be done. I like to see the way the walls grow out of the ground. Every time I go through that phase in a building project, I feel some sort of joyful sensation. That's the thrill from it, a satisfactory feeling, I would say. Once the foundation walls go up to the desired level, a reinforced slab is built on top of the wall, standing on the foundation footings. Waterproofing membranes and drainage systems are added to protect against moisture. Because water is patient and foundations must be more patient still. The foundation walls are rising, block by block, like quiet declarations of intent. What was once lines on paper and strings in the soil is now solid. Standing real, these walls won't be seen when the paint is fresh and the lights are glowing. But they will carry everything. The laughter, the